Alright, so from the last place I was at, this is a few miles past the airport in the Comox Valley. I believe it's called Point Holmes. It's a really pretty beach. I'm standing on the boat ramp right now, or the driveway to the boat ramp, where the boats go into the ocean. There's a bunch of birds down here just chilling. Someone's standing way out there just enjoying the view. There's a family behind me, a few other people. I think I might venture down this way a little bit more. It's pretty cool. Way off in the distance you'll see a ship. I'm not sure if it's still working or if it's like a shipwreck. It's way over there. I really like the color of this green algae growing on the side here. Super bright green. We'll try going back down this way. See the glacier off in the distance there. I'll try and zoom in. Oh, there it is. When I grew up here, it used to be a lot bigger. It's actually been shrinking every year, which is kind of sad. But there's a story behind the glacier. First Nations called it a whale, and I think it was a tsunami they were trying to get away from way back when. I can't remember the actual date or when the story took place, but they were trying to get away from the tsunami, and they ended up getting on the back of the whale, which is the glacier. Pretty cool story. Okay, we'll zoom out a bit. And we'll keep going down this way. I want to go walk on the sand a little bit. Should be able to get down here. There's a little bit of rock and path going down. Alright. Oh, pretty shell. I think we'll leave that one. There we go. Much easier to walk on the sand. Beach is really, really pretty. I don't think I've taken my fiance out here yet. We've been to another beach in the area called Goose Spit. This is an area I'm very familiar with. It's like a place I like to visit a lot. I came on here with my mom for dog walking and my dad as well. I actually don't think I've been out here by myself before. I think I might come out here more often. There's a big piece of seaweed in the water. Putting my feet off a little. Alright, I think I'll keep heading down this way, see what I find. It's a bit of a walk down there, so I might end the video here. And I'll see what I find down there.